If you are enjoying the activities and stories that we're putting up on Facebook, please do give us a like below. Also, you can share our Family Support Facebook page with your friends and family. It's time for an activity now.
Hi everyone, welcome to AlbyTV activity time. Today's activity is indoor gardening. My daughter has played it a few days ago. Really nice and exciting. So for this activity we need a filtered pen, spoon, an egg, seeds and soil, water and a cup. We need to knock the eggs. We're going to use our fingers to take the shells out. As you can see, taking them off. And now we're going to pour the eggs in the cup. You can use it. You don't need to waste the egg. Now I'm going to make a hole. When we water in the soil, the water can come out from here. So I just made a hole here. It's going to clean it, and then I'm going to draw a face. So I take this one first to make her eyes. And then another eye. Eyebrow, nose, and I'm gonna make a nice smiley face. That's it. And now we're gonna pour soil in the egg. Okay. And now we're gonna sprinkle some seeds. With your fingers, a little bit more. Now we're going to pour more seeds. Just like that. And because I have really dry soil, I'm going to pour some water. And then you need to water it from time to time. So, I'll put it here. So I hope you enjoy the activity today. If you like it, you can share it with your family and friends. Bye!